Okay, then roundabout.
Yeah.
Eventually, at the end of the dual carriageway, we're going to go right, third exit.
Right.
So knowing that, where are we checking? What position should we do?
Right.
Good. When are we going to signal? Position. Not first gear. No. Try a gear again. Second. Right, you're going to have to go straight on now. Coming off the next one. Coming off here. Yeah. Where did I tell you to go?
Third. Did you not?
Yeah. Right, third exit. We stayed in the left lane.
How come I had to go down to second then?
Well, you went into first.
Did I?
Yeah, you hadn't even come to a stop.
I thought I was in third.
No, shoved it into first. So you've had a few faults there on approach. Your position on approach with the lanes wasn't great.
Yeah.
You were kind of like half, and then moved to the left when your direction was to the right. And then on approach, shoved it into first gear. Let's go fourth now. So if you brought your clutch up in first gear when you're moving at that speed, what would have happened to your speed? A decrease. It slows you down a lot. So the person behind doesn't know you're slowing down.
I looked at my gauge.
Right, focus on this one. Following the road ahead. Second exit. Down the coastal road. What's going on, Declan?
It's been a while.
Where should we stay then?
Left.
Yeah. Why are we going through tarmac?
I thought I was more on the left than I was.
Is there space there for two cars side by side?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where should you stay? Yeah.
That's the way I'm going.
Anyone turning right down and they're coming next to you, you've just cut them straight up. Following the road ahead, first exit. Where are we checking? What signal? Right, drive towards Mackey's. Right at the roundabout, second exit.